to answer this, I am no contact going on over 2 years now with my parents. I am unfortunately no contact with some of my siblings, but I am in contact with some others. But even the ones I'm in contact with, the relationship is strained, by trauma and just like toxic family dynamics. But I still do get to see the ones that I do have contact with. And I was actually the youngest in my situation, but I still was the first to kind of escape the situation. So I'm doing my best now to try and pass on any knowledge, advice, or support that I can to my siblings still trying to leave, even the ones I don't have contact with.